With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question, in the column 1 you have different electrolytes given, and in column 2 you have the Van 't Hoff factor of those electrolytes, and these Van 't Hoff factors are given in the ratio of the electrolytes given in column 1, right? So let's see first of all Van 't Hoff factors of all these electrolytes in column 1. In A part, what is given? Urea, glucose and fructose. So we all know for non-electrolytes such as urea, glucose or fructose, the value of Van 't Hoff factor I is equals to 1, right? So in this case the ratio will be 1:1:1, right? So which is correct option for A part? R. So for A part, R is the correct choice, right? Now let's see B. In B you have NaCl, which on dissociation gives you Na plus Cl minus. So the Van 't Hoff factor in case of 100% dissociation is equal to number of ions formed on dissociation, which is 2 here. You can see 2 ions are formed on dissociation. Now let's see for MgCl2. For MgCl2, if you find out, then it will be Mg2 plus 2 Cl minus. So the number of ions which is formed here on dissociation is 3. And finally the third compound was K2SO4. So for K2SO4 it will be 2K plus SO4 2 minus, right? So here the number of ions which is formed on dissociation I is equals to 3, right? So finally ratio of NaCl, MgCl2 and K2SO4, the ratio of the Van 't Hoff factor will be 2:3:3. So which option is matching for B? So for B you have S option, 2:3:3. So you will write here S is there for B. Now let's come on to the C compounds. Now in C what is given? Al2SO4 whole thrice. So first is Al2SO4 whole thrice. This on dissociation is going to give you 2Al3 plus 3SO4 2 minus, right? So from here what you can say, I will be how much? How many number of ions is formed on dissociation? 3 plus 2 5. So 5 is the number of ions formed on dissociation, that is only the Van 't Hoff factor. Now next is Na3PO4. So let's see for Na3PO4, right? So for Na3PO4 what happens? You have 3 Na plus PO4 minus, right? So what will be the value of I here? 3 plus 1, that is 4. You have 4 ions formed on dissociation, right? Now last compound in the C part was K4FeCN6, right? So let's see in case of K4FeCN6 what is the dissociation? K4FeCN. So this is a coordinate compound. How we will write? Just see K4FeCN6. So this is K4FeCN6, right? Which on dissociation gives us 4K plus FeCN6 minus. So this is very important. This is a complex ion and it does not dissociate into its individual ions. So total value of I will be 5. So now what will be the ratio in case of C? The ratio is 5:4:5. And if you divide the entire ratio by 5, then you can write down 1:0.82, 1:0.8:1, right? This can be written if you divide the entire equation by 5, 1:0. For C part, you can say option, that is the first P part is correct, 1:0.8:1. So what you will write here? P, right? Now let's see the last one, that is D. So what is there in D? You have glucose, NaCl and CaCl2. So we have already seen for glucose, the Van 't Hoff factor for glucose, the Van 't Hoff factor will be 1 because it is a non-electrolyte. Just now we have seen non-electrolyte. Now let's see for NaCl. We have just seen for NaCl also. For NaCl it is Na plus Cl minus. So the number of ions formed on dissociation is 2. So Van't Hoff factor will be 2. And for CaCl2, for CaCl2, what is the dissociation? So it is Ca2 plus 2Cl minus, right? So here you can see the number of ions formed on dissociation is 3. So finally, what is the ratio in this entire deep option? So it is 1:2:3 is the ratio. So which option is matching? You have one, which option is matching here? So it is matching with 1:2:3. So it is Q, right? It is Q. Now let's write down, or let's summarize the entire answers to the questions. So let's summarize what was for A, B, C and D, right? A, B, C and D, we will write down the entire answers. For A we have find out R, then R, S, then P and finally Q. R, S, P and then D was Q. So this is the required answer for the given match the following. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.